This is Jim Emter of Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with the closing grain and livestock comments for June 1st, 2020. Corn market down 2.5, beans down 1/4 cent. Chicago wheat down 5.5, Minneapolis down 3 3/4, Kansas City down 8. So a give back day here, uncertainty over China-U.S. trade development, phase one in a bit of a limbo. There were some rumors late afternoon, or I should say midday, that came out that indicated that China may be buying 3 cargoes of new crop beans. So it's semi-interesting that we hear the Chinese government take a stance against state-owned firms buying anymore, and then potentially some private sales may show up here in the days ahead. We'll see how that unfolds. But corn, beans, and wheat still coiling very much and stuck in this rut here. Feeder cattle up 77.5, live cattle down 142.5, hog market down 225. When you look at feeder cattle, live cattle still holding up near the highs. Live cattle kind of into this key support area. So obviously we've got our recovery points. The market set back against these gaps here a little bit. And the key will be, can we hold it together here? And that'll be the big question for the cattle market. Cash underturns and export sales going to be very important to that development as we work through the week. Hog market down 225 as uncertainty over China has the biggest impact there in hogs. So rightfully so, that hog should be down the greatest here, at least for today. We'll see if the market can't come back, see if calmer heads prevail. But for right now, we're stuck in limbo. The hog market made a nice retracement level up about 62.5%. Now retraced back 50% of that rally. So we're kind of stuck here, there too, in limbo, trying to figure out what the next move is. And with so much uncertainty as a result of COVID-19, U.S. China trade front, riots going on through the states here. Just a lot of uncertainty that has the market stuck here for a moment. And we'll see if calmer heads can prevail and if we can get back on track here to trying to extend some of these markets as we've seen the Dow Jones Industrial do. This has been Jim Emter of Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.